Ay, pasensya na kung magulo. So, ganito yung usual talagang setup. So, it's our laundry day. Actually, wala naman talaga kaming schedule ng laundry day eh. Kumbaga, kutob-kutob lang pag yung hamper dumadami na. Yan, so nakalagay na yung ano. So, on lang namin yan. Usual standard setup. Start. Yan. Usually, titimbangin niya lang yan kung ilan. Daming balahibo dahil sa pusa namin. Pakita ko lang din yung ampon namin dito. Yan. Naawa kasi si Bing. Yan. Magulo lang yung kulungan kasi ang haharot nila. So, naawa si Bing. Kasi yung isa, ayan, 53 minutes siya. Kasi yung isa parang nagmumuta-muta siya. Yan, so, sampay time na. Ganun talaga yung sakit ng trinoma. Walang signal. Dapat mag-work kami ulit dito sa Cooper. Kaso lang, signal issue. You know, trinoma. Tapos, hindi ko napansin. Bumili ako ng coffee. Sobrang saya. Ayan. Hello, Vic. Vic yarn. Lipat muna kami. Yan, so lipat na kami ng ano. Nag-decide na lang kami lumipat. Ganun talaga yung sakit ng trinoma. Walang signal. Ever since nung bago pa to, ganito na dito eh. So, ano, lipat na lang tayo ng ano, ng lugar. It's ruining my heart. nandito ako sa may Pancho, dito sa may Sangandaan, sa Quezon City, sa along Carino Highway lang siya. If you're familiar with Sangandaan, dito sa may Mercury Drug dito, in 24 hours. Tapos may 5 estrellas dito. Nandito lang sila sa may baba. As in, along the highway lang. The place is so cozy. Ang elegant niya. The design, the colors, yung furniture na ginamit, and yung vibe talaga. I mean, like the aura nung place. And then yung food, so delicious. Like, we're so happy with the food na nabili namin sa kanila. Yun, si Bing nasa meeting lang siya, pero yun, their menu looks so simple, ganito siya, pero man, yung mga nakasulat dito, yung mga food mismo, grabe. So we ordered burnt Basque latte, that's 240 pesos. So it's espresso milk, caramelized honey, and sea salt cream. Sobrang solid, sarap. One of the best coffees that I had. Ang sarap nun. Pareho kami ni Beng ng feedback. So I would choose this over SB Drinks. Yeah. It's our first time here and naisip lang namin puntahan since kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan, wala kaming mapuntahan na may signal. Yan. As of the moment, their Wi-Fi is inaayos pa. But yeah, they serve water, yun, and they're open to like people who wants to work here. Yun. Sobrang ganda ng vibe, promise. So yun, again, burnt Basque latte, 240 pesos. One of the best 240 pesos na spend ko sa buhay namin. And then for the food, we had the crispy corned beef, that's pan-fried corned beef with egg and garlic rice. That's 280 pesos. Sounds expensive, but it's not. Kapag natikman mo siya, it's not expensive because the taste is really expensive. The taste is elegant. Corned beef lang siya pero sarap. One of the best corned beef that I had then. And the quality of the rice and the garlic rice, kung paano siya naging garlic rice, ang sarap. Ayun. And it has chopped kamatis and cucumber. And then Beng had cheese Hungarian, that's cheesy Hungarian egg garlic rice. So 280 pesos. Sobrang solid din. Para sa akin, must try yun. Sobrang sarap. One of the best din. Na marami kaming natikman na Hungarian. One of the best is yung nasa Fairview 1221 and this one. So man, yung 280 mo talagang lasang 280 siya or more. The place is pet friendly. So maano kayo, pwede yun din yung mga pets na dito. So Pancho, the name is from their dog. So yung Pancho is the corgi. So ang laki niya, ang tabang, cute, sobrang cute niya. Para siyang mascot nung coffee shop. So ngayon parang nagpapahinga na ata siya, pero sobrang solid. Ang laki nung aso, ang ganda niya. So Pancho is the name. Doon nila kinuha yung name ng coffee shop. So napakaganda niya. And may parking space. I think this is the parking space of the rest of the building. So it's a first come first serve basis. So it has about 2, 4, 5 slots. 5 slots. Pag wala siguro, pwede kang maghanap or sa Mercury Drug siguro. And then pag motor ka, di ka naman problema dito mag-park. So yun, very cozy. We're gonna go back for sure. Ayun, to try more. So yung sarap ng nila. So punta ka dito sa Pancho, Quezon City here in Sangandaan. Barangay Tandang Sora nata to, or pero feeling ko Barangay Sangandaan pa rin to. Ayun. Tapat siya ng St. Catherine. Yan, sabi mo na, peace. Yun, and we're back home. Traffic, grabe. So we decided to go back and magpunta ng Trinoma, but as we know, maraming masyadong dead spots sa Trinoma. So we decided to go to a coffee shop dito sa may bandang Quirino Highway, and then doon kami nakapag-work talaga. So now may kailangan kami attend na meeting. That's why ngayon I just turned on this camera para magsabi na
again, thank you for spending your time with me and Beng, sa amin mag-asawa. Thank you for spending your I know how precious your time are. Thank you for watching and for spending time with us sa araw na to. See you on the next one, and hopefully it will be a much better day for everyone. Stay safe. Please mag-ingat, doble ingat. Yung usual na ingat natin, doblein pa natin because grabe yung ulan, grabe yung kalsada natin. We all know that we don't have a lot of places na may magandang roads. So please take care. Ayun, ingat kayo, and sa inyo lahat, salamat ulit. This is Average Living. See you on the next one. Please.